Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you want gorgeous lighting without the need to mess with any wires, this is an awesome solution from VANSINTEK. These wall sconces are so simple to put up, and they just plug right into the wall. I love how convenient that is. You can put them anywhere you want, as long as you have an outlet nearby, and you don't have to worry about any wiring or installation. It comes with a metal plate and some screws. You mount it to the wall. This slides right on and attaches on the sides with a couple of screws, and that is it. You just have to put a bulb. These are so simple and beautifully made. I love the wood and black combination. The wire wraps that wood really nicely. It just adds a little something to it. It's a really nice, simple design that'll look great in any space. We have these really pretty Edison bulbs attached to it, but you can choose whatever bulb you want, but it just adds to the decor. It gives a really nice, beautiful, soft lighting at night. So if you're also looking for lighting maybe above your bed or your couch or over your end tables, I think this is an excellent option. It comes in a set of 2, and it just looks really great on your wall. And that's my point of view.